Introducing every great garden's dirty little secret, the SunJoe Aardvark Electric Garden Cultivator. Aardvark's high-performance 2.5 amp motor and 4 durable steel-angled tines quickly loosen compacted dirt with the push of a button at up to 300 RPM, ensuring you get maximum aeration down deep where it's needed most. Cultivate an area up to 6 inches wide and 6 inches deep in just seconds. Aardvark tames the toughest yard and garden tasks, making it easy to control weeds and cultivate crops with less strain. An ergonomic handle makes the cultivator comfortable to control and easy to maneuver wherever you want to go. And its telescoping shaft lets you tailor it to just the right height. Backed by a 2-year warranty, it's the cultivator you can count on to perform season after season. When it comes to great gardens, those in the know go with Joe, the TJ599E Aardvark Electric Garden Cultivator from SunJoe. Get equipped.
Believe even the simplest things can be made better and smarter. The Fiskars range of weed pullers will revolutionise how you combat weeds in your garden. The telescopic weed puller has the added benefit of an adjustable shaft so you can alter the length so it's right for your height. It allows you to weed from a comfortable standing position. Deep-reaching stainless steel claws grab the root of the weed, and the ejection mechanism effortlessly releases the weed into a waiting bucket. It means you can weed again and weed again without the use of harmful chemicals. By regularly cleaning and maintaining the weeder, it will last a lifetime.
Presents you PlayBulb Garden, a color LED solar garden light. With PlayBulb X Smart App Control, PlayBulb Garden lets you add wonderful colors and special lighting effects to your garden. PlayBulb Garden is purely driven by solar energy. It's green, just like your garden. It takes no efforts to install PlayBulb Garden. Just connect the accompanying monopod to PlayBulb Garden, and it's good to push in the grass. Each PlayBulb Garden is shipped with 2 pieces of monopod. Connect them to extend the height of monopod to suit your need. PlayBulb Garden is made water resistant. Unfavorable weather conditions are not a problem. PlayBulb Garden is environmentally friendly. At day, it charges itself with sun energy and store power in the internal lithium-ion battery. The capacity of the built-in battery is 650 mAh. Once it is fully charged, it can operate up to 20 hours. PlayBulb Garden is made to be smart. The built-in light sensor will automatically turn on PlayBulb Garden when it gets dark, while turn off when it is bright enough. Download PlayBulb X free app from Apple App Store or Google Play to bring your PlayBulb Garden to another level of intelligence. PlayBulb X lets you control your PlayBulb Garden by Bluetooth. Adding colors to your garden takes just one finger tap. You can even group multiple Playbulb Garden and change their color as a whole. The latest version of Playbulb X provides 5 special light effects. To activate an evening lighting show at your garden is one finger tap away. With over-the-air update, once our app developers build more special effects, you'll be able to include them to your Playbulb Garden for free by OTAU firmware upgrade. Playbulb Garden is lightweight, and therefore it's portable. Imagine adding shining colors to your picnic, barbecue, or camping. And since it is solar-powered, you don't need to worry about the power supply. Playbulb X was designed to be one app, all control. Using the same app, you can control Playbulb Color, Playbulb Rainbow, Playbulb Candle, Playbulb Garden, and more to come. Playbulb Garden lets you add shining color and special lighting effects to your garden.
It uses the height of the plant to decide if it's good or if it's bad. If it's taller than an inch, it leaves it alone. If it's smaller than an inch, it cuts it. Turtle has 2 methods of removing weeds. The first is a small nylon string on the bottom of the robot that spins rapidly to cut the weeds. The second is the design of the wheels. As the robot drives around, the wheels scrub the surface of the soil, damaging pre-emergent weeds.
Turtle doesn't need to pull weeds because it chops them every day. Even if a chopped weed sprouts again, Turtle will keep chopping it down until it runs out of stored energy and dies.
There's no mapping or programming required for Turtle. You put the robot in the garden, press go, and the robot takes care of the rest. Turtle uses Bluetooth to talk to the user's smartphone.
There's an app that accompanies Turtle. Through the app, you can learn about conditions in your garden and what Turtle has been doing.
Because Turtle cuts the weeds every day, the clippings are small, so they fall back onto the ground and shrivel up, returning the nutrients to the soil. To inform Turtle that you want to keep a small plant, you put one of the provided plant collars around the seedling. This lets Turtle know that it's a desired plant. Once the plant is larger, you can remove the collar if you like.
Planting bulbs and flowers has never been quicker. This tool is specially designed to dig holes quickly and easily. Simply insert the dirt snatcher into your planting bed soil, squeeze and pull. Now you have a perfect 3-inch diameter hole for planting bulbs or nursery plants, constructed of nickel-coated steel and high-impact plastic.